Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best chicken marinade ever. This chicken marinade is packed with so much flavor and it keeps your chicken very juicy and tender. After I marinated the chicken, I cooked it on an electric griddle that was sent to me by Ikich to try it out. It works amazing. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box together with a coupon code. Now let's get started. Alright you guys, we're using 3 large chicken breasts for this recipe and we're going to start by poking holes into the chicken. This will help the chicken soak in the marinade very well. Once you're done poking holes in the chicken, you're going to place them in a Ziploc bag. Then you're going to set them aside for later. Next, we're going to make the marinade. It's very easy. I have half a cup of olive oil in this bowl. Into that, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, some spices. I have a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion flakes, you can use onion powder, and Italian seasoning. Next, we're adding a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix everything together, and that is all for the marinade. It smells so good and it's really good on chicken. So the next thing you're going to do is pour your marinade all over your chicken in the Ziploc bag. Then you're going to get all the air out of the Ziploc bag before you seal it. When there's no air in the Ziploc bag, the chicken soaks in the marinade so much better. Next, you're going to store your chicken in the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours. I marinated mine for 5 hours, I think. Once your chicken is done marinating, you can do whatever you want with it. You can bake it or sear it, but I'm going to cook it on my electric griddle. So here is my electric griddle. It's 2-in-1. It has the grill side and the flat side. I'm going to place the chicken on the grill side. If I was making veggie stew, I'd place those on the flat side, but I'm going to use that side for my extra chicken. You're going to cook your chicken on medium heat for 6 minutes on one side. Then you're going to turn them over. Turning is pretty easy because the grill is non-stick. Cook the other side for another 6 minutes until the chicken is completely cooked through. Make sure you have a meat thermometer to check for internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. The grill has a removable oil tray to catch all the drippings and it's really easy to clean. The chicken looks really good. I really love the color on them and they smell amazing too. The marinade made the chicken really tender. It's so easy to cut through them and they're so flavorful. You guys are going to love this marinade. If you want the ingredients and measurements, make sure you check the description box. I have everything there.